Hey guys! Aha! There's my entertainment system! And it's sealed out of the box! Now let's see what's inside this thing! Here is the mini video game, games included, game console, which is like an NES! So let's open this and see if nothing's ever gonna happen to it. Opening the flap from up, and there's the content inside! Wow, good little Timmy can get this! Here's controller number 1. Feels legit. Controller number 2. Feels legit. AC adapter cords, hookup, and the main star of the show, the classic NES console! Wow, look at how small he is! It's like the NES Classic Edition, except on steroids because it doesn't say Nintendo Entertainment System. It just says Nintendo Entertainment System. I bet this console will be very good because this is the power switch for your console. You can pause them and look at all these 100 games in one if you want to pause the video and look at all of them. They're really great. Instruction manual? I'm a 16-year-old, not a 3-year-old. Oh, I should probably regret doing that. But it's worth it in the end for abortion trees had to die for. Oh, I know how to hook up consoles for the past 85 years. Well, there's that. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. And, yeah. I might hook this up. But I'll see you guys later. Bye!